Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. So welcome back to our today's video together with I am Maureen J2. Yeah, let me first welcome her first. Welcome.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Please like, subscribe and comment. I am here today with Nice Mom.
Thank you.
Please guys, just cross over people from my side and subscribe to our side.
Okay,
yes,
thank
we really
you so
appreciate
much.
you. We are here because of you guys.
Yeah.
So please show us your support.
Okay, thank you.
And then us, we will bring you the best video.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
so much. So welcome, Maureen.
Thank you.
Kindly subscribe, give my videos a like, and I hope you're going to have fun. And I just request that you may watch it until the end. Welcome, guys.
Thank you. We are here.
Yeah. Guys, we are testing. What we let us just test. Okay. I think it will be okay.
Yeah.
So guys, we are lighting the fire. Our traditional way. Okay guys, we're still waiting for water to boil, yeah? Guys, I think this water is almost boiling, yeah? It is almost boiling. Our surprise is almost there. I know guys are waiting, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, here is the surprise, Maureen.
So here's the surprise, guys. Nice Mom is laughing and I don't know why she's laughing.
Just a minute. So guys, this is what we are going to use. This is sugar. This
Sugar and lemon powder,
Yeah, exactly.
flour.
So guess what, viewers?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to bake?
Yes.
So I think the first step, so because this thing is a teamwork, so we're just going to hold that stick and then I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do. So let me put it first. So I'm going to pour water as you stir.
Yeah.
So just stir using the
We
cooking
call it
stick.
mwiko. Yes, call it mwiko.
So just stirring.
Sorry.
So I think this one is enough. So when you want to cook porridge, Maureen,
Yes.
you just have to stir it until this lumps, yes?
Okay.
They are. So guys, our mix is almost, and then we are going to pour it to our hot water. So guys, we can just pour it here. So let me pour as Maureen stirs. Yeah guys, our porridge is almost ready. Just look at it. Look at the color. And it is so delicious. So after this, we are going to add some sugar, citric, and then our porridge will be okay. Ready to be served.
Very, very thick. I think, nice mom.
Yeah.
It's almost ready.
Yeah,
What do you
it is
think?
almost. Yeah, let me just. Okay, we are going to use a scissor, kitchen scissor,
Okay.
to cut the citric powder,
Yes.
and then we put some sugar.
Okay.
After boiling, then we are done.
Wow. So nice, mom. I'm
Yeah.
supposed to put like
How many are they? Just put all of them. How many are they?
6.
6. Yeah, it's
Yes.
okay. Just put all of them.
Okay. Okay.
So you can use this.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so guys, after putting the citric powder, then we have to put sugar. Guys, this one was 1 kg, but the one that is remaining here, it's like half a kg. So guys, this is our sugar. So I'm trying to put it slowly so that it may blend well. So Maureen, you wanted to taste, or
To taste. Ooh,
you'll taste the porridge? Yeah?
it will burn my tongue.
I know.
It's so hot.
I'll show you how to taste.
Mara sugar.
This one is marash.
Mara sugar. Guys, we are not advertising. We are not paid to advertise. We are just telling you that we are using Mara sugar. Yeah. So you can see
Our porridge is ready now. It is boiling. Just look at it. It's boiling. Okay guys, here we are with the surprise. But then I know when we reach there, you'll know the person that we are taking surprise to. We are with Maureen.
Yes.
Yes, Maureen, you're carrying, what are you carrying?
Cups.
Yeah, cups.
Yes.
So at least how many are they?
I think 12.
12,
sure.
yeah.
12.
So, okay, we've just estimated, but then we don't know how many people we are going to get there. So, guys, look at our village. Look at our background. This is our village. It is so smart. We love it. Me, I love my village so much. Maureen, this is our village. So, guys, we are carrying this. This one is 10 liters of porridge. So, Maureen, I hope this porridge will be enough for them.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
It will be enough.
Enough, yeah.
Okay. So let us just go. So guys, this is the life here in the village.
Yes.
Yeah. This is life. So you can see that young girl carrying firewood. So for us here, we are used to. This is our normal life.
Yes.
And then guys, you know me, I can just put this thing on my head without holding. Just look.
Even me.
Yeah, can you do it?
Yes.
Let Maureen try. So can you walk? Can you try walking?
Okay, I'm a wife material.
Yeah, you're a wife. Wow, guys, Maureen has made my day that she's a wife material. We've reached at the construction site, so you can see there's some work that is going on, and then we have those guys who are doing this work, guys. So we appreciate so much for watching our video, and then also we appreciate so much for subscribing to our videos. So guys, here is Fellows place. Yeah, construction site. It is good always to be a blessing to people, because whenever you give out, it is obviously that God is going to bless you. I normally say that when you have something, it doesn't matter how much is it, or it doesn't matter how little is it, but it is good to find pleasure always to share. That is why I like sharing so much, guys. So today I want to give a surprise porridge to Fellow, of which is going to maybe share with the ones that are working at his site. I have just met Mokami, a long time
Mokami
friend.
Senior, yeah.
Oh, Mokami Senior.
You know, you used to be my children's teacher.
Exactly, yeah.
Can you remember?
Yeah.
They have grown now.
They have grown
They
now.
are now in colleges.
Okay.
Others are in high school.
Okay.
So first of all, I'm very, very grateful for the work
you.
you did to my children.
Okay, thank you so much.
Now they are doing well out there.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, my names are Mokami Senior.
Okay.
This is a nice
Nice mom,
yeah. Please consider by subscribing to her channel.
Okay.
Yeah. She's road to 1,000.
Oh, thank you. That's a good number.
Yeah. You reach there. Don't
Okay.
worry. Yeah, you know, with God's everything is possible. Yeah.
So
continue working hard.
Okay,
Your channel
thank
will
you.
grow.
Thank you.
And everything will be all right.
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much for the encouragement.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
kindly, I'm meeting him for the first time on YouTube, guys. But then we've been so close friends.
Yeah.
And also, as he said that I was teaching his children.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy when a parent come back and maybe say thank you
Yeah.
to a teacher. So as you continue subscribing to his channel, kindly consider mine also. I'm Nice Mom.
Yeah.
So I know maybe next time you'll be seeing us together in some videos.
Yeah, okay.
Because we just stay in the same area.
Yeah.
That is Nyabohansi.
Yeah.
So
you
thank
know,
you,
even
yeah.
my daughter,
Okay.
who I was escorting yesterday to Mombasa.
Okay.
You know, you are her class teacher.
Oh,
now
thank
she's
you.
she's doing well. Now she's
Thank
in
you.
college.
Yeah.
She has gone to attachment in
Okay.
Mombasa.
Okay.
So I'm very, very grateful.
Okay,
you know, you
thank you.
teachers, you make our children do well in future.
Okay.
So we are very, very grateful to
Okay.
you. Even though we don't tell you, we don't remind you, but in our hearts, we are very, very grateful to you, teachers.
Okay, thank you so much.
God bless you.
Uh-huh.
Hello, guys. Please subscribe to her channel.
Yeah.
She's nice mom.
Nice
Here
mom.
in the village.
Yeah.
She's very, very busy doing his normal work. You know, like now the school is closed.
Yeah.
She's here helping. Yeah, you know, by now we
Okay,
are
no,
here.
just come and hold for me this camera. Kindly the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Noel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I can say, madam, is to here in Kenya, you know, life is very hard.
Okay.
We have to struggle. We don't have to depend with one job. Like you are a teacher.
Yeah.
Don't depend on waiting for school to reopen and the way you do your things here at the village. You are very busy working in farm.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
So I'm very, very grateful to you.
Okay, thank you for meeting you.
Yeah.
I know we'll be having some more conversation.
Yeah.
A parent and a teacher, you know, there's a relationship, and I'm very happy when I hear my girls or even my boys are doing well there. I know we will meet again. Thank you so much.
We will meet.
Yeah, so
and
guys.
I'll say hi to my daughters and sons.
Do so kindly. Okay. Okay, we have my son here.
Yeah. Hello guys. Welcome back to Nice Mom YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah, consider to subscribe to his channel to reach 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you.
He's my teacher.
Yeah, I teach so many people in the village.
Yeah.
And then I've been saying that most of the YouTubers they pass through my hands. Akina Dimwango, call so many. Akina Noel, they are here. Yani Akina Ayamasubo.
Yeah.
Hello baby. Yani the list is endless. So I'm happy to see you guys doing some recommendable job in the community. Yeah. So kindly guys consider subscribing to his channel too. And Noel Chacha. So thank you for meeting you.
Yeah.
So bye. Okay, there's no problem. So let me see fellow.
Yeah.
Okay, me I like sharing. So I just decided to bring a surprise, and I hope nobody has leaked what I've brought. So he's just going to receive the surprise and then know what I've brought him. Yeah, so guys, just continue supporting him. I've just had some minor injury, which is okay, I'll be fine. It is only that this roof was down, so I was trying to come in, but then I was trying to bend, but then it is just something that is minor. It is sorted out. So fellow, we thank God for you. I know that because today I want to be a blessing to you. I know so many people have been a blessing to you, and many people will be a blessing to you, because whenever you plant something, it is obvious that you're going to reap. So thank you so much. So just you'll receive the blessing that I have for you and the surprise. So I don't know if you're going to take it alone or you're going to share it. They have decided to share it to you.
So I will decide what to do
with it.
Or Maureen will decide.
Okay, Maureen will decide.
Why me? Why me to decide?
Okay, so guys, thank you very much from
Nice mom.
Nice mom.
I changed my name.
You changed your name to Nice Mom.
To Nice Mom.
Yeah. So Nice Mom has a YouTube. She has got a YouTube channel. She's also my neighbor. She's like my sister also. So please guys, go check on her YouTube channel and subscribe on her YouTube channel. I will be mentioning her today. You go and check and subscribe. Huh? So today she has came here with us a big surprise. Yeah. I can just see the what is this? This one is
just okay.
Oh, it's somehow heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy, so you can just maybe
I can read.
You're supposed to open it.
So it is the travel. Keep hot and cold. Yes. Travel leisure.
Yeah.
Take pleasure in travel. Oh, it is travel. So it is something that maybe it has traveled up to here, and it is a travel leisure. Okay. So maybe. Oh, I can see the cups.
Yeah.
Porcelain.
So guess what?
Porcelain cups, yeah?
Yeah.
So these are the cups that are in high school. They normally advise the students to have it. Yeah, because they got no have problem with those small stuff that cause some cancer. Okay. So we have here, maybe you can open. Can you open?
So can I give
so
you
can give me
you
now. I receive, yeah? Yeah. So guys, this is also a gift I'm receiving from nice mom.
Yeah.
So please check on her YouTube channel and subscribe.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Yeah,
have a
I
seat.
believe because it is something, because you've seen the cut, then it
Yeah.
is something that you're going to
Oh,
eat.
it is something to
yeah,
eat.
so it is my prayer that, okay, it can make you stronger and
Wow,
stronger.
wow. So it can make me stronger.
Yeah,
Thank you, thank you.
stronger
Thank
and
you
grow
good.
big.
And grow big, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much. So maybe you can, I can see what is it.
So I want to show you how to
Maybe-
open it, so you can open here. So
Okay,
that, yeah.
let's show us.
Just
Oh, I open
yeah,
here.
because it is yours.
Yes.
I open this one,
So how do they open it?
just like this.
Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I never came across such thing. Oh,
and
it is
then-
still, I'm still opening.
and then I'll lift these.
Oh, I just lift it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
So now this is your surprise.
So guys, this is a surprise from me. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you.
Wow,
Philo.
wow,
Yeah.
wow. All of this one.
Yeah, so I can just serve you first.
Wow, thank you. So guys, I'm being served.
Yeah.
You can imagine how special I am now. I'm not bragging, but she wants to serve me
Yeah.
nutritional porridge. Eh?
Yeah, it is so nutritious.
Yeah. Wow, you can see, guys.
So this one is for Philo.
This one is for Fellow the boy.
Yeah, let me give you using my right hand.
Oh, you want
Maybe
So I'm
So she want to
holding-
give me using the right hand,
Yeah,
guys.
the right hand.
Wow.
So this one is for
So
you.
I'm receiving from Nice Mom.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So it
Wow.
is, yeah, thank
It
you.
is mine.
Yeah, that one
Wow.
is yours. So I don't know if you're going to take the all of this.
Okay, this one, I will not take the whole of it. I cannot be able to finish it.
Yeah.
But let me test. It's so sweet, huh?
And hot.
Not more, but
Yeah,
just a
it's-
little.
just a little, yeah.
Yeah. So this one I'm going to take with my muscles. Why?
Ah.
My muscles who are working, they will have to enjoy this porridge today.
Okay.
It's a porridge that is so important. It's very important in the body. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they use finger millet and
Yeah, finger millet, there is sugar there, and then
There's
we
sugar.
have Maureen. What did we put?
Lemon powder.
Yeah, lemon powder.
Oh, lemon powder.
Okay, we are
Yes.
doing it
Finger
with
millet.
Maureen. Yeah.
you are doing it with Maureen.
Yeah, we are doing it with her.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, thank you very much. I've received it. But for more about how they have served it to my Masons, guys, please you will go and check on her YouTube channel.
Yeah, nice mom.
Nice
kindly,
mom,
yeah.
kindly. And also Maureen has got this a surprise, but she will just do it in her channel. So
Okay.
from me, if you finish watching mine, go check on Nice Mom and check on I am Maureen J2. They have, everybody has got her surprise. So this mom has made the surprise, but we want to see now how she normally serve.
Okay.
So we shall just watch it in her video how she has served, and we shall also watch what Maureen has served also my Mason, because she has got also a surprise.
Okay.
Wow, thank you
Thank you so much.
and God bless you.
God bless you too.
Wow. So
Yeah.
thank you guys.
So guys, we want to serve
Thank you.
this porridge,
entering the video.
because I think
The site here.
they are still working. So I don't know, Maureen, what can we do? Can we just serve them as they are working, or because they cannot break? Is it? So I don't know which way. What do we do?
What do you think? Can we call them?
But I think we should call them.
We
That's
should
the
call
best.
them, yeah.
Because they're
So-
surprised.
Okay, it is a surprise. So let me just call them. Hey, habari zenyu? Okay, I was just greeting them. Mnaendeleaje? Okay.
Kidogo.
So I
Just
have
a minute.
they're still working, but then I just want them to get more strength, because okay, that porridge I don't want it to get cold, so I'll just give them. So at least I've greeted them, so maybe I can just invite them for the porridge so that they may come and take the porridge. Sasa si karibu, alafu mnywe uji tafadhali. So I'm welcoming them so that they may come. Joseph, the mason. The mash.
The name gives.
Oh, how are you?
Very fine.
Welcome.
I'm the one to welcome you.
Yeah,
In fact, it's a long time.
thank you. How are you?
I'm
And
very
you
fine.
look good, yeah? Yeah, you're fine. So welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just introduce yourself.
Yeah, welcome to Nice Mom
Okay.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Guys, push her to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, good number.
Yeah, I'm going to mention you today
Thank you so
in my
much.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'll
in fact, you'll
appreciate.
get some subscribers from me.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
for the promise.
Yeah.
Thank you
So feel welcome.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
welcome for the porridge. I'm coming to serve you.
Yeah.
Remember also, Chris the Great is the cameraman. The cameraman. Also the doctor, the one who did first aid to Nice Mom.
Nice mom. Yeah. Now I'm okay.
She had an accident, by the way.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
amekatwa
I'm
na
okay,
bati.
I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sasa, karibuni uji. Welcome for the porridge.
Tachiti kama dakika 5.
Kama dakika 5
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
asante. Haya, sawa, karibuni. Chenge.
Hizi ni komba.
In Kikuyu we call it entoweke
Okay.
in our mother language.
Yeah.
It's special for the in-laws.
Yeah.
In fact, I think
So this is how for the in-laws it just looks like
Yeah,
that.
and very delicious.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Welcome.
everybody is enjoying it.
Welcome. Thank you so much. How is the porridge for you?
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
The Ntoveke, as my brother said, we only give it to
the in-laws, yeah?
But today now,
Uh-huh.
your surprise is good.
Thank
We
you.
expect you to bring more and more of this.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Fellow, okay, you had said the porridge is wow.
Yeah, it is so nice. Huh?
Okay.
So welcome to Nice Mom.
Oh, I changed.
Nice
Yeah,
Mom
nice mom,
YouTube
yeah.
channel. My name is Fellow the Boy. So guys, it just from my video, I've just received a surprise
Okay.
from Nice Mom.
Yeah.
So this surprise, the one that the Masons are taking here. The Masons, all the Masons at who are working here,
Okay.
they are taking that porridge.
Okay.
And also me, I'm also taking it.
Okay.
So thank you very much, my mom, my sister.
In fact, I'm your mom, Fellow.
Okay, whichever.
Whichever.
My mom, my sister, all can
Yeah, all
do. Thank
can
you very much for
do.
your surprise.
Yeah.
I feel very happy because my Masons now they are
Yeah,
enjoying.
yeah.
They are enjoying here.
They are
And
enjoying,
also,
yeah.
I'm planning a fine of the days to buy for them a goat.
Wow.
That will be in my channel, so we'll just celebrate. Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Wow.
Young guys, these are just my children, guys. How is the porridge?
It's nice.
It's nice.
Sweet.
Does it look like the one that your mom makes? I'm perfect. That is why you kept quiet. How is the porridge?
Sweet.
Okay.
Honey.
Yeah, like honey. Okay, thank you.
Oh, nice mom.
Yeah.
Congrats, ma'am.
Jose,
Yeah.
have you tasted my porridge?
Yeah, I've tasted it.
Okay.
It's very delicious.
Mm.
In fact,
How is it?
Keep it up.
Yeah.
I'm really enjoying it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. How is the porridge?
Nice.
Just like my name, yeah?
Yeah. Amazing.
Thank you. Welcome. How is the porridge?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Delicious.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
highly proteinous.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so guys, just allow me end the video. I'm so happy and so excited to meet Fellow the boy at his construction site. He's doing a good job. So maybe next time when I have something again, I'll be a blessing to many and many others. Because I realize that I always find that fulfillment when I give somebody something. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for those who subscribed. I've just had some minor injuries, but I'll be fine, guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing. And also, guys, continue subscribing and showing me love. So kindly let me just end this video.